What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon from JayveeTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with a new artist to the channel, man. Name of the artist is called Christopher Cross. Alright, you guys wanted me to check him out, so I'm finally going to be doing that today. And the song I'm going to start with today, guys, is called Sailing. Alright, without further ado, man, you already know what time it is, guys. I got my headphones on, I got the video pulled up, and we're going to check this out together, guys. But if you're new here to the channel, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. And let's see what it is, man. This is Christopher Cross, Sailing. Wow, I'm loving the build-up.
Well, it's not far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. If the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles.
Wow.
Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
Wow, man, guys, I just gotta say, like, this is just absolutely amazing, man. My first thoughts in the beginning when the song was starting out, I thought it sounded like a movie, man. It sounded like I was getting ready for this experience, like this whole new experience. And then when that bass kicked in and then the guitar started strumming, man, they definitely just brought it. I just gotta say, so far I'm really impressed, man. And he got such an amazing voice, guys.
Carry me, soon I will be free. Fantasy, think it's the best of me when I'm sailing, all caught up in the reverie. Every word is a symphony. Won't you believe? Wind is right, you can sail away, find serenity. Oh.
Guys, man, I'm gonna run it back for a second. Man, just close your eyes, man. Just listen to this song. It just gets to give me that feeling like I'm just like sailing away, man. I'm not sure where I'm going, but I don't care, man. Just take this song in, just close your eyes and listen to it, man. It just puts you at peace, man. It just like makes you relax, just put you at peace, man. I feel so at ease just hearing this song, guys. Like, not a lot of songs could do that to me, man. And this is definitely going on the playlist. Let me run it back, guys, to but right here, so we get the feel again.
Right, you can sail away, find serenity. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see, then you believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always needed to be.
Makes you want to dance too, man.
Wind to carry me, soon I will be free.
Soon I will be free. Wow. Please don't tell me that's it. Oh man, that can't be it. I guess that's it, guys. Wow. I guess that's it, guys. No, man, that's a song that I just wanted to keep going and going and going. Man, this song just made me feel at ease, man. Like, it's just a nice song to put on. Just sit back, just relax, just put it on, and even dance, man. At some point throughout the video, you notice me like dancing to the song. Now, this is definitely a hit, man. I gotta check out more Christopher Cross after this. You guys let me know down in the comments down below what you want me to check out next. I just gotta say, this song was absolutely amazing, man. I just love the whole feel of the song. From the moment the song started, it just feel enchanting, man. It just reel you in, and then he just let you stuck right through, and then to the end it just slowed down, and just, man, I absolutely love this. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, guys, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and even share this video. But anyways, guys, that's it for now, man. It's been your boy Jay. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Essa daqui é pica, hein?
You win, and then he just let you stuck right through, and then to the end it just slowed down, and just